her body. But when you see it up close and you see her pass by, you appreciate all the hard work and the detail that they put into these pieces, to these garments. And that's when I had this new appreciation for fashion. That was the best part for me.
Just another question. Since you know that you're now based in New York, can you give us some tips or life hacks that you learned while living your life at the Big Apple?
Well, definitely learned my lesson by layering, especially during the winter. Because hindi ako sanay sa ganung kalamig. At dahil doon nagkasakit ako ng napakatagal. Esther has been telling me you need to put more clothes on. So that's a tough lesson that I have to learn because unfortunately I got sick. So the weather in New York can be quite unpredictable. Dress accordingly, that's what I would say. And if you do have the chance, walk around, enjoy the city, enjoy the shopping, and watch Broadway shows if you have the time. Go to Central Park, it's absolutely beautiful. You know what, there's still a lot on my list. I know I've been there for 3 months already, I think, or going on 4 months. I have a list. And Miss Leia Salonga was also, giving me some tips and places to go to while I'm there. And even she said herself, Iya, alam mo, kulang yung 1 year mo to really explore New York. But if you get the chance, these are some of the places. And to be honest, there's still a lot of unticked boxes. So maybe in a few months' time, I can tell you more stories. Thank you.
We only have time for last few questions.
Hi, Pia. Robert from Manila. You mentioned about this. I just checked your Twitter. You're reading this best-selling book by Maria Seal, the 52 List Project.
Oh, yes.
So I have 2 sub-questions for you.
Okay.
So first question, it says there, in one of the pages, it says there, the list of people you admire. So who are the list of people you admire?
People who I admire.
Yes.
Okay.
The challenge is how you order
That was...
some you admire.
Okay, because I know this is a weekly journal, right? This book is actually a weekly journal, and then you do it, you just jot down things, and then at the end of the year you look back and you see how much your perspective has changed since then. But then with me, I'm a little bit stubborn, so I skip pages and I answer the questions that I really want to answer right now. And just a trivia, before I answer your question, sorry, because this is really good, and we actually wanted to post this on the Miss Universe site. On the first page, it says, something that you really want to achieve, or your biggest dream. That's the first question on the first page. And the first thing I wrote was to win Miss Universe. And I showed it to them, and they couldn't believe it. I mean, come on, I've been saying it so many times. This was my dream. But then, when you look back in your, it's like a diary, isn't it? And when you look back and you see, wow, I really did I really did win Miss Universe. And and then also part of the list where I wanted to travel was New York. It's now also, it was on the list, and now it happened also. So, So, okay, back to your question, I'm sorry. People that I admire. Of course, it's always going to be family. I live in New York alone. And I'm not gonna lie, there are times when I feel like I miss my family. So I'm very spiritual. I pray a lot.